Welcome to GVE London. I'm Tom Turner, our client account manager, and I'm incredibly excited to share with you our latest vehicle in stock today. So, let's take a walk into the showroom. This car is one of the most iconic cars ever made, and you may well recognise it from the well-known James Bond films, Thunderball, Goldfinger and GoldenEye. So, without further ado, please allow me to introduce to you our Aston Martin DB5. The beautifully crafted aluminium body is fitted to the lightweight steel chassis and was designed by Carrezia Touring Superleggera. The DB5 has a few upgrades on its predecessor, the DB4. To name a few, the 4-litre straight-six engine, 3 SU carburetors, and the introduction of a full Synchromesh ZF 5-speed gearbox. Put all of these together and you have an incredibly capable car. In 1963, the DB5 would go on to a top speed of 145 miles an hour and get from 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds. Our stunning DB5 is a 1964 example with just over 50,000 miles on the clock and only 3 previous owners. The car's been for a full nut and bolt restoration and has also been fitted with a few desirable optional extras. Power steering, a discreet sat-nav and Bluetooth, and eagle-eyed viewers out there may have noticed the upgraded 6-inch chrome wire wheels. This car has been cherished by a knowledgeable and enthusiastic vendor who has recently had the carburetors professionally tuned at Aston Martin Newport Pagnell. Our DB5 has a strong service history and is one of only 1,021 models ever made. So if you'd like to find out more about this very rare example, then please do click the link below.